The new UAE corporate tax, which comes into effect this week, is a significant change for businesses operating in the UAE. Here is everything you need to know. The UAE corporate tax is a tax on the profits of businesses that are incorporated in the UAE. The tax rate is 9% and applies on all companies with a profit of 375,000 dirhams and above, hence requiring them to enrol for tax registration. The average corporate tax rate in the world is 23.2%, so 9% is considered a low tax rate, and UAE's corporation tax will be one of the lowest in the world. This means that businesses in the UAE have a significant tax advantage over businesses in other countries. All businesses that are incorporated in the UAE are liable for corporate tax, regardless of their ownership structure. The taxable base for the UAE corporate tax is the taxable profits of a business. Taxable profits are calculated by deducting allowable expenses from gross income. Allowable expenses include costs incurred in the ordinary course of business, such as salaries, rent, and utilities. Businesses may also deduct certain expenses, such as losses from previous years and capital allowances. Businesses that make payments to non-resident businesses may be required to withhold UAE corporation tax. The withholding tax rate is 15%. Businesses may be eligible for certain reliefs for the new corporate tax, such as a tax holiday for new businesses. Businesses that fail to comply with the new corporate tax rules may be subject to penalties, such as fines and interest. All taxable persons, including free zones persons, are required to register for corporate tax and obtain a registration number. Taxable persons are required to file a tax return for each tax period within 9 months from the end of the relevant period. The same deadline would generally apply for the payment of any corporate tax due in respect of the tax period for which a return is filed. The tax is being introduced to accelerate the country's development and transformation. The certainty of a competitive corporate tax regime that adheres to international standards, together with the UAE's extensive network of double tax treaties, will cement the UAE's position as a leading jurisdiction for business and investment.